Hello, Mike Fitzpatrick here with Dealer Training Car Dealer Press once again. Today in this video what I want to do is actually just show you what it looks like with a Woo theme, or how the Car Dealer Press plugin works with a Woo theme. In this case I've already uploaded Headlines, which is a magazine theme by WooThemes. This one's got a really nice look to it, tends to be a pretty popular one. I'm going to go into the back end of WordPress. I'm already in the headline settings. What I'm going to do is just show you a couple of the options that are possible. But first I'm going to just change, let's go to a blue theme and upload a logo. I actually have a logo in my media library already. So we'll go there and I'm going to choose this one. That's the size I want, and then I'm going to insert into post. Even though it's actually putting it into this custom logo field, it is the insert into post function. Now what I'm going to do is, if I scroll down, you'll see a couple different things we can add. You could actually put a custom favicon, which is the little icon that goes in the address bar, and you see it pop up in different places as well. Once that's there, tracking code, Google Analytics can go there. You can actually add a custom URL for your RSS feeds if you use FeedBurner or something like that. There's a contact form template within this theme, and that's pretty constant throughout the Woo themes. So you can put an email here, put your email form, and then if you know anything about CSS, you can actually add custom CSS to the theme to override specific things, which comes in really handy to make just little minor tweaks. So right now what I'm going to do is save those, go back to my theme, and we'll update it, and you'll see I've got the blue background, I've got a logo, really easy to do. I'm going to add a couple things here. Let's do a featured panel. I'm going to show the featured panel. This is a slideshow. Okay, the way this works is it works off of tags. Each post has either a category and a tag, or a tag, and in this case what we're going to do is put featured as the name of the tag. And I've already put a couple slides in, and I'll show you that in a second. Let's save that. And then layout options, we can actually put our Twitter username, we can change fonts, we can change the sidebar dynamics, the way that all lays out, dynamic images. There's actually a top ad, content ad, and widget ad. So you can add ads to this as well, whether they be for your own site or for somebody else's. Just go back and refresh. And now I've got my Twitter at the top. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to a different color. Let's go to gray. That blue's a little bright for me. So we'll do that. And now I'm going to go into my post section. And like I mentioned, I already added a couple posts and just put them in as draft. I'm going to go quick edit and publish those. So you'll be able to see them on the home page. And you'll notice the tag on those is featured. And I'll create a new one here in just a second. We'll go back to the page and refresh. So now I've got my car advertisements here. And now let's add categories. I can add a second menu here as well. So the idea of this particular setup, what I'm going to do is a kind of a lease special, finance special, try and grab buyers at the type of things they might be looking for. So I'm going to go into my menus, and I actually created categories for both of those as well. So I'm going to go to the top navigation, which there's no menus there now. I'm going to go down to categories and add these two. We're going to add menu, or add to menu. You notice those show up here. We're going to save that. Go back to the site and refresh, and you'll see I've got now my low finance rates and lease specials. So each one of these has one post in it. I'm going to add one more now, so again you can see how that works out. We'll go to post, we're going to add new post, and let's do another lease special. Okay, and I'm going to add a picture. So we'll add a picture, and what I'm going to do is just grab something from the media library, just because I've already got things uploaded here. Let's go ahead and add our Honda Pilot, and let's go with a medium. We want it to the left. We're going to insert into post. Okay, and then I'm going to do that one more time, but I'm going to do it down here under featured image. And we're going to add, again from media library, choose our Honda Pilot, and we're going to use as featured image this time. What that does is it actually adds it to the slideshow on the home page. We'll close that. So now if I want to add text to this, what I'm going to do is just put, let's put low lease, and then we'll put, $5.99 per month. Okay, and now I'm going to highlight that, and we're going to make that a header 2 tag. We can do header 1 if we wanted, but then we'd have a whole lot of header 1s on the home page, which we kind of want to avoid. And then we can just go blah, blah, blah. Let's copy that and put it on there a few times so you can see how it's going to. Okay, and now what I want to do is I'm going to choose categories, lease specials, and then we want to add a tag. Our tag is going to be featured, which is again what puts it on the home page, and then we're going to publish that one. So when I go back to the site, you'll see I've got my car advertisement 2, my car advertisement 1. We refresh the page, and we have another lease special, blah, blah, blah. The nice thing about this is now consumers can find this in a couple different ways. They can go lease specials, and you'll see all the different lease specials. So those can cycle through as you add them. They can also go to the specific page right from the slide on the home page too, so that they can go right into these. Makes it really nice to advertise specific things. And then of course the kicker is now you also have cars on this as well. You can choose to have pretty much any kind of car you want. You'll see I've got all the used cars. We can search through. This is all dynamic and from Car Dealer Press. Same with new cars. In this particular case, I've got from what we would refer to as an auto mall. So we've taken several rooftops of dealerships and implemented them under one site. And again, you can choose and select inside of these. And of course, we've got all the pictures. You can watch video. You've got the vehicle details, comments. If you have comments actually from your data feed, that'll populate there. The form, once again, works, integrates right into the CRM tools that are available out there. Breadcrumb trail, dynamic SEO is available. Not on this, I don't have it on this demo, but dynamic SEO is part of this as well. So that is integrating the headlines WooThemes with Car Dealer Press. Thank you much.